In this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of uploading high-quality videos to Twitter. By doing so, you can enhance the visual appeal of your content and potentially attract a larger audience. To begin, launch the Twitter application on your device and tap on your profile picture icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. Subsequently, tap on Settings and Support, followed by Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. From there, tap on Data Usage. If your data saver is currently enabled, you will need to disable it by toggling off the switch next to Data Saver. After that, tap on High Quality Uploads options and select on Cellular or Wi-Fi. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly upload high-quality videos to Twitter.